Good morning. Today's lesson, algebraic properties. The first property, commutative property. That if the order of addends or factors is changed, the sum or product stays the same. For example, 6 plus 2, the same 2 plus 6, the result will be 8. And 9 multiplied by 3, the same 3 multiplied by 9, the result will be 27. A plus B is the same B plus A, and A multiply B is the same B multiply A. The second property, associative property. That whatever way addends are grouped or factors are grouped doesn't change their sum or product. For example, 8 plus 5 all plus 4 the same if we add 8 plus the sum of 5 and 4, the result will be 17. And also 6 multiplied by 7 all multiplied by 2, the same if we multiply 6 multiply the product of 7 and 2, the result will be 84. A plus B plus C is the same A plus B plus C, and here we change the grouping. And also A multiply B multiply C equals A multiply B multiply C, and here we change the grouping also. The third property, identity property of addition. That the sum of 0 and any number is that number. Like 2 plus 0 equals 2 and 0 plus 2 equals 2. It means A plus 0 equals 0 plus A equals A. The fourth property, identity property of multiplication. That the product of 1 and any number is that number. For example, 8 multiplied by 1 equals 8, and 1 multiplied by 8 also equals 8. A multiply 1 equals 1 multiply A equals A. The fifth property, zero property of multiplication. The product of any number and 0 is 0. For example, 8 multiplied 0 equals 0, and 0 multiplied by 8 also equals 0. A multiplied by 0 equals 0 multiplied by A equals 0. Number 6, distributive property. That multiply a sum by a number is the same as multiplying each addend by the number and then adding the products. Like 4 multiplied by 7 plus 3, the same 4 multiplied by 7 plus 4 multiplied by 3, and the result will be 40. And 4 multiplied by 7 minus 3, the same 4 multiplied by 7 minus 4 multiplied by 3, and the result will be 16. A multiply B plus C equals A multiply B plus A multiply C, and A multiply B minus C the same A multiply B minus A multiply C. The first exercise, name the property shown. 75 plus 45 equals 45 plus 75. It will be commutative property because here we change the order of the addends. 51 multiplied 1 equals 52. Identity property of multiplication. If you multiply number by 1, the result will be the same. Identity property of multiplication. S multiply T equals T multiply S. Commutative property, we change the order of the factors. 75 plus 0 equals 75. Identity property of addition. If we add number plus 0, the result will be the same number. Identity property of addition. 5 multiplied 0 equals 0. It will be 0 property. 6 multiplied 7 plus 9 equals 6 multiplied 7 plus 6 multiplied 9, distributive property. Exercise number 2. Name the value of n and then name the property used. 4 multiplied by 5 multiply n equals 4 multiplied 5 multiplied by 9. When we compare between the two sides, you will find the value of n is 9 and the name of the property is associative property. 90 plus n equals 90 because the sum 90 and 0 equals 90. The value of n is 0 and the name of the property is identity property of addition. 4 plus 9 plus n equals 4 plus 9 plus 1. Compare between the two sides, the value of n is 1 and the name of the property is associative property. 4 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 2 equals 4 multiplied by n multiplied by 2. The value of n is 6 and the name of the property is associative. 2 multiply 5 plus 9 equals 2 multiply 5 plus 2 multiply n. The value of n here is 9 and the name of the property is distributive property. 5 plus 4 equals n plus 5. The value of n is 4 and the name of the property is commutative property. This is the end of our lesson. Thanks.